Hello children, we have completed up to question number 7, exercise 1.1. Today we will understand question number 8. You have to verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the given values of a and b. In first part, see a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18. We have to verify, we have to put values of a and b in this equation, and we have to see if the left hand side part is equal to right hand side. That means this is verified. So start solution. We see here solution. I am providing you solution already. You have to do in your note copy also. See, this is the first part. A is equal to 21 and b is equal to 18. We have to put these value in this equation. So first left hand side we will see here a minus b. A is equal to 21 minus b is equal to 18. Minus plus, so 21 plus 18. What you will get here? 21 plus 18, 39. Similarly, right hand side, this was left hand side part. What is the right hand side? A plus b. So put value. A is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. This is also 39. So here we see left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is verified for the values of a and b. That means if a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18, this equation is verified. You can see here solution is given. You have to write in your note copy. Now for the second part, a is equal to 118 and b is equal to 125. So put the values for the left hand side. What will be the equation? A minus b. What is the value of a? 118 minus b is equal to 125. See, minus plus, so 118 plus 125. What you will get here? You have to sum. So what you will get? 243. Similarly, right hand side, a plus b is 118 and 125. Similarly, you will get 243. So we can say for the values of a and b, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. This equation is satisfied. Why? Because left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here solution is being provided. You have to complete in your note copy. For the third part and fourth part, you have to try yourself. I am already giving here solution. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. So now, what is your homework? You have to complete this question number 8 in your note copy. All the 4 parts you have to do. Question number 7 already you have to complete. I have already given in my previous video lesson homework. Now question number 9. What is the question number 9? You have to put sign greater than, less than or equal to for the given statements. See here, what is the a? Minus 8 plus minus 4. Here right hand side part, minus 8 minus 4. Now we have to solve here. See here, first of all a part, this is minus 8 as it is, you have to write. Now this plus minus, what will come? Plus minus, so you are putting here minus. Similarly, this is minus 8 minus plus, so this is plus 4. Now again minus plus 8 and 4, 12. For greater digit is minus 8, so sign will be negative. Here minus plus minus 8 minus 4, 4. Bigger digit 8 is negative, so will be negative. Now minus 12 and minus 4, which one is greater? On the number line you easily see here minus 4 this side and this minus 12. As we move right hand side, values increases, so minus 2 is greater, minus 4 is greater than minus 12. Okay. So here which one is greater? Minus 4 is greater, so we have to put minus 12 is less than minus 4. Is it clear? Okay, now see next part. We will solve B part. Here see minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Now see minus plus minus 7 minus 3, what you will get here? 4, bigger digit 7 is positive, so plus 4 minus 19. Again plus minus 19 minus 4, what you will get? 15. 19 is greater, so greater bigger digit sign will be negative. Similarly, right hand side you see 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. 15 minus 8, see plus minus 9. 15, see here minus plus 8 and 9, what will be? 17. Now see plus minus 17 minus 15, what you will get? 2 with negative sign, because 17 is bigger digit, it is negative, so negative sign. Now see minus 15 and minus 2, which one is greater? Minus 2 is greater. Why? Because on number line, if we see this is 0, minus 2 will be here, and this side will be minus 15. As we move towards right side, values will be in ascending order, so minus 2 is greater than minus 15. Okay students, clear? Now this question number A, B part we completed. Question number 9, part A, B we completed. Now part C. Look here, part C. (23 minus 41 plus 11). 23 minus 41 minus 11. Now see 23 minus 41 plus 11. First of all, what we have done here? This 23 is positive number, plus minus minus, so 41 minus 23, what you will get? 18. Bigger digit is 41, this is negative, so minus 18 we got here. Minus 18 plus 11. Now again see minus plus minus 18 minus 11, what you will get? 7. Bigger digit 18 is negative, so you have put here negative sign, minus 7. Again see here 23 minus plus 41 and 11 is equal to 52. So 52, but bigger digit is 41 negative, so we have put here 23 minus 52. Now see here minus plus, see here plus 23 minus 52, plus minus minus. Now subtract 23 out of 52, you will get 29. Bigger digit 52 is negative, so you have to put here negative sign. Now see minus 7 and 29. Minus 7 and 29. Which one is greater? Minus 7 is greater. Draw number line. You can easily see. This one is 0. Minus 7 will come. Then here will be minus 29. As we move towards right side, values increases. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Is it clear? Okay. Now we have done A, B, C part. Now D and E part you have to do yourself. I am providing here solution. If you face any difficulty, you can share with me. Thank you.